Hello everyone, this is Jessica Krasinger, Strategic Account Manager for SoftMart here in the state of Florida, and this is your IT 2-minute warning for July 5th. And July 5th is not just the Thursday after the awkwardly placed Wednesday holiday for the 4th of July. It is more significant than that. It is the day that my NDA with Microsoft has been released, and I can now give you the first look into the licensing changes that are going to come with Windows Server 2012's release. Now, the disclaimer here is Windows Server 2012 is still in beta. It is not available for purchase. It is not on the price sheet. This is not going to happen for a couple of months. But I believe in being prepared, so I'm going to try to give you as much information between now and then as possible to help you get ready for that release so that at no point are you blindsided by any of the changes. So here are the first two changes that are coming. From a versioning perspective, Windows Server is now only going to be available in two flavors: Windows Server Standard and Windows Server Data Center. Okay, that means that Windows Server Enterprise, HPC Server, and Web Server are all being retired. Now, those of you that are panicking, please stop. If you're running Windows Server Enterprise, you do not have to stop running Windows Server Enterprise. You own whatever version you've already paid for. So that's not going to change. What's going to happen is moving forward, you're going to have to change your mindset. So there will be a migration path for customers that have software assurance on their licensing. There will also be the availability to purchase between now and the 2012 release additional licenses if you need them. So please don't panic. The other thing to keep in mind is Microsoft is pushing the licensing toward a more virtualization-centric model. So what we're seeing now is that the way you're going to license Windows Server is processor-based, regardless of the version. So a Windows Server Standard license and a Windows Server Data Center license are going to each cover two processors. Okay, so now you're looking at your processors in your servers versus your actual servers. Okay, this could be fairly significant for organizations. So here's what I'm going to tell you. This is my big pitch here. You and I are going to need to do our due diligence in this perspective. Until the release happens, we have got to get down to figuring out how this is going to affect your organization long term. Okay, we've got time, but it's going to take a little bit of time to make sure as you move forward, you're not going to be hit by a ton of licensing increases on your end. So, more to come, but this has been Jessica Krasinger and your IT 2-minute warning. I will talk to you next week. Thanks.